Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Once more, my name is Prince Michael, and this is my beauty gallery, your best marketplace when it comes to beauty and all its related services. Okay, now I'm going to teach us how to add a service. A service is what your prospective customers and your existing customers will see and know that yes, you offer the service and this is your minimum cost. Please note, the cost I'm going to put here is the minimum, not the highest you are going to charge, not the max you are going to do, the minimum. I don't know when it comes. You have various services, and for each service you have range when it comes to the service and basic notes when it comes to the scope of the service, right? In fact, every service does it, not only makeup. So what you're going to put, I'm going to show you how to add the minimum you will charge, right? And that minimum is defined by you, right? So to do that, I scroll down to what we call quick service. As you can see, the quick service here, the button, you click on it, and then you enter the service name. So in this service, I'm going to use body piercing, right? And then I'll select it here, right? And then I also, for the description, I also do the same. Please add what you know best fits your service. I'm just using these for purpose of this description. Then, like I said, the price I'm going to put here is the minimum I will charge, the very minimum, depending on the scope of work that will be done, right? And then also the minimum based on the number of minutes I'm going to spend. So if for the service you spend 3 hours or whatever, you spread out here. All right, okay, you can spread it out here. 120, right? Then yeah, that's it. You add service, right? We've added the service now. As you can see, we've added a service, and that is it here. Yeah, you can see body piercing service, $35. This is the minimum. Now again, just for clarity, we're trying to see how we can have a unified currency for this app, because we are working towards having it used globally. Yes, globally. Yes, globally. I mean globally. So if that be the case, for us in Nigeria and maybe some of our African countries that might also use it, you can add cost that is equivalent to what you charge in your local currency. For example, a dollar right now is about 1,500. So if you charge 10,000 in naira, 10,000 naira in naira, divide that 10,000 by 1,500, that will give you the dollar equivalent, right? If you charge, for example, like I said again, you charge a service 10,000 naira, right? And now to put the exchange rate in context, which is in dollars, divide 10,000 by 1,500. Whatever you get becomes your dollar equivalent becomes the equivalent in dollars. So that you can put. Now, but if we are working with, we're discussing with Paystack to see how the conversion can be made seamless, so that as your customers are paying in naira, it automatically get into your account in dollars. Okay, so but if that is not possible, then we'll have to revert back to naira or whichever country currency you are in Africa. Okay, so basically this is how to add service, and as you can see, so I hope we learned a lot in this. Now the next I'm going to do is how to add feed or create a portfolio from this service you just added now. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.